Okay, this is a thin client. So what I do is I have to notch this out in order to get your hard drive in there. So now I do this. And I slide it right in like that. Then pop it down. And I put a spot of super glue underneath it so it sticks to that pad. Next segment will be hopefully Windows 11 installing. Okay, so now we go with part 2. And as you can see, it sees your hard drive just fine. And there she is installed. I like to add Wi-Fi to these also, and then 8 gigs of RAM. And I take the guts out of an old laptop and turn it into Wi-Fi. But it works. So now we'll hit the next button. And everything should be hunky-dory. Thank you very much. It worked. All right. Y'all have a good day.